Hello,
Hi, teacher.
my name is Yen. What's your name?
My name is Ali.
How old are you, Ali?
I 10 years.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks.
Okay, are you ready for your speaking test, part 2?
Yes.
Okay, please look at this picture. This picture is at the beach. Can you see the birds?
Yes, I can.
What color are they?
They
What,
black and white.
what color are their beaks?
They orange peach.
Okay, where is the crab?
It's it next to the chair.
What color is it?
It's red.
Okay, very good. Look at this girl lying on the chair. What is she wearing?
She wearing swim shoes.
Is she happy?
Yes, she's
Please look at the boy and the girl playing in the sand. What are they doing?
she'll play sand.
Okay. Ali, please look at these pictures. Which is the pumpkin?
Is here.
Thank you. I'm putting the pumpkin under the chair. Now put the pumpkin next to the sandcastle. Which is the witch?
Is here.
Please put the witch on the umbrella, please. Put the witch on the umbrella. Okay. Which is the gorilla? Gorilla in these pictures. Put the gorilla between two children swimming in the water, please. Which is the plum? Plum.
Um, here.
Put the plum under the chair, please. Okay, thank you so much. And this is your part 3 of your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what's this?
Is hat.
What color is it?
It is brown and white.
Do you like to wear caps?
No.
How many caps do you have, if you have any? How
Mm,
many?
two hats.
Okay. What is it?
Is camera.
What color is it?
Is purple and yellow.
Have you got any cameras?
Is no camera.
Okay. Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I do.
What is it?
Is crocodile.
Where can you see it?
Mm, zoo.
Are you scared of wild animals?
No. Scared.
Okay, what is it?
Cat.
Have you got any pet?
Mm, no.
Have you got any pet?
No.
Yes?
No.
Do you like wild animals? Do you like wild animals?
Mm,
Do you like tigers, lions, crocodiles? Do you like them?
my first animals bird.
Okay. Let's talk about your favorite animal. Do you like to go to the zoo?
Go to the zoo. Which? Mm,
Do you like sorry, rather, who do you go with?
which? Friend.
What do you do at the zoo?
Mm,
What do you do at the zoo? Do you feed animals at the zoo?
yes.
Tell me about your favorite animal.
Mm, is
What's your favorite animal?
cat.
Cat? Why? Why cat?
Mm,
What color are they? What color is it? What do they eat?
is cat is fish.
Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye, Ali.
Bye.